welcome back to my channel. Alex here. If you've never seen these big old cheeks before, I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos right here on this channel. So if you ever miss a video from me or you don't want to miss a video from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you will always be informed and know when I upload. But today is an exciting day because we are in the very midst of the annual Spring Savings event from Sephora. Now, if you don't know what these are basically twice a year savings event. So this one is the spring, there's going to be another one in the fall close to the Christmas time. The Sephora Spring Savings event comes in 3 tiers for the 3 tiers that Sephora offers in terms of its loyalty point system, right? So we have the Sephora Rouge and we get 30% off. I'm Rouge because I have a problem. I'm always in Sephora. And then you have the Sephora VIBs. Those persons get 20% off, and then the Beauty Insiders get 10% off. And the sale is between April 1st through April 11th. So you have a really long time to shop, right? But Rouge gets to shop first. And so today I went ahead, it's been a while, and I went and I picked up some items that did not go in. I did use their delivery service. Did not know that was a thing. If that's in your area or you see it in your Sephora cart, let me know. I was shocked when I saw free same day delivery. I was like, oh, okay, why not? But one of the items I noticed, one of the items could not be same day because it's not in my particular store. So that one's going to be shipped to me. But I was like I would say in less than 2 hours, I had my stuff. So I was like, this is amazing. So if you have that feature, go ahead and use it. I think it's amazing to just stay home and shop Sephora and have it delivered to you the same day, not waiting days. So let me stop rambling and get into what I got from the Sephora Spring Savings event. So here's my bag, and then they do put the receipt on the outside of the bag if you do the free same day delivery. So I have told you guys, if you've been with me for a long time, I've always told you guys, when you shop this sale, make sure to see if there are any sets in the items or that relate to the item that you actually want. So let's say you wanted a body wash, which I'm using the example that I did. If you want a body wash or an exfoliator or something and you see it in a set with other items, get that. You're definitely gonna get more bang for your buck. So the first thing that I'm gonna grab out of this bag is a set from Nécessaire. I practice what I preach, right? So this particular body ritual, I really wanted to try the body exfoliator. And when I saw that they had this set, I was like, oh, I've already tried the body wash, love it, but this is a different scent or fragrance. So the first time I tried the Nécessaire body wash, it was in the sandalwood fragrance. And so this one is the eucalyptus. So I was like, yes, I get to try that as well. And so in here as well, they have body serum and they also have a body lotion. And so the sizes aren't that bad. The exfoliator is 2.4 fluid ounces. The body wash is 3.4 fluid ounces. Serum is 1.7, and then the body lotion is 2.4. I would have liked for all of them to be the same size across the board. Anyway, it's fine. But we're all getting ready to travel again, so these sizes will definitely come in handy. So here we go. This is the body wash. I think this is a really decent size to go ahead and try and actually be worth it, you know what I mean? Or to get at least a good amount out of it. This one is the body serum. It comes with a pump. Yay, we love pumps. So I've never tried a body serum. Yes, we're going to go ahead and try that. And the thing that I really wanted, which is the exfoliators in here, I think the size is good. This one is in eucalyptus as well in terms of the fragrance. So that's what I really wanted to go ahead and try. And then body lotion. Always need lotion, definitely, especially with the weather that we've been having. It's been like spring is trying, but everything else is like, no, it's gonna stay cold. But I'm gonna put this lotion right now. So everything's sealed, so that's always great. The times we live in, guys, everything needs to be sealed. So that is coming off. Okay, we're good. So I'm gonna squirt out a little bit of that. I'm not smelling anything. Is it not? Oh, this one's fragrance free. So the lotion is fragrance free. Fragrance free, definitely no fragrance. And it feels really, really good. Nice and light. And I do feel like my skin is moisturized. Ooh, that feels nice. This is definitely a purse keeper. Ooh, definitely. Wow. That feels really good. So I'm excited about the lotion. See, I didn't even want the lotion. Like, I really wanted that exfoliant, and now I'm like, ooh, lotion. And it's fragrance free, so I don't have to worry about that. So moving on to the next thing. This one is a re-up. Re-up of the OLEHENRIKSEN. This is their dark spot toner, the Glow 2 OH. Love this. It does target dark spots, and you guys know if you've been with me for a while, I have acne prone skin with acne scarring. So anything that can deal with the scars, I'm all in. So this is definitely just a re-up for me, a repurchase, and it's always good to get money off in savings when you're repurchasing some of your favorite things. The next thing is a new thing, but definitely a needed one. This is a Blue Algae Vitamin C Serum from the Algenist. I have only tried, I believe, their eye cream. So I was like, I need a serum and I need something with vitamin C. So I said, let me give the Algenist one a try. Nothing really intrigued me more than the fact that it has brightening ingredients. And I was like, okay, let's go. So yeah, super excited to try this. I want to see the size because the price was pricey. Oh, so size isn't too bad. Comes with a pump. I like the blue color. So yeah, Skinclarity Brightening Serum. So we definitely need that. And we'll see how it works out, or see how my skin loves it anyway. So we'll see how that one goes. And then the last and final thing in this bag is something that it took me a long time to try this. I don't know, like I just had so many other things to try, right? This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I got the smaller size just in case my skin hates it. If you have acne prone skin, then you probably already know, like, your skin tells you immediately if it hates something. So I got the small size. I think this is a decent size to go ahead and try this primer to see how it works for me. And yeah, I'll see how my skin likes it and if it actually works. I decided to get a new primer because the season's changing, right? So your skin or makeup needs are going to change. So that's really what all of this is about. As the seasons change, I try to change up what I'm doing in terms of my makeup and skincare, just to flow and go along with how my skin is going to react to the changing temperature. So yeah, you guys, that's it. That's all that I got so far from the spring Sephora Savings event. Let me know down in the comment section if you got anything. If you got anything that I got, let me know how it's working for you, or if you're excited to get anything at all this time around. But yeah, we've got a good while to shop. I'll link and list everything that I talked about here today. I think the one thing that I'm really excited to try is this vitamin C right here. I have not had a vitamin C serum in a long time, and it shows. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I will see you in my next video really soon. Bye.